Hey everyone, Emmanuel here with Bill, Luke, Tempe, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat. And today we've got a 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. And I even grew out a mustache because it is Italian. Now under the hood, you'll notice that it has a 2.9 liter V6 twin turbo 505 horsepower engine. You'll also see that the wheels have beautiful spokes on them and they're 19 inches as well. But you'll also notice that it has four-wheel Brembo brake calipers for that awesome stopping power as well. You'll also notice that this car has carbon fiber everywhere. Now on the inside, you'll notice that this vehicle has some premium leather seats as well as a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter. And it also has an 8.8-inch infotainment screen that is capable of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So there you have it everyone, the 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Some of the awesome things I love about this vehicle is that it does have 505 horsepower. It also has some 19-inch wheels and it's got dynamic and race mode, which is able to get you 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Now this car is truly magnifico. So come on in to Bill, Luke, Tempe, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat and test drive this bad boy for yourself off of I-10 and Elliott Road.